highs in the upper 80s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Erie, Cumberland, Dauphin, and Lebanon counties, including the city of Harrisburg. Rest of today, sunny. Highs around 90. West winds around 5 miles an hour.